danza quando è studio en la escuela. Pajarita se cubre botín cuando visita a su abuela. Si necesita una amiga, debe hablar con un ratoncito. Si quieres ser mi amante, debe ser alta y delgadita. Lunes, martes, ratones, pez. Miércoles, jueves, todos. Lunes, martes.
Lovelies, welcome back to another vlog. Hello lovelies, welcome back to this great channel. Hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are okay. If you are new on this channel, my name is Ecuadorian and I film from Ecuador in South America, okay? And I film about lifestyle, vlog, food. In case you are just joining us for the first time, you're most welcome. Remember to click on the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and drop your comments at the comment section if you have. So today I am going to be showing you my apartment, how my apartment looks like. I did a live video of recent and I mistakenly showed my background. I'm like, woo, thank God my background was a bit net. So I said, okay, it is done on me that I have to do this apartment tour. And people were like, wow, your house is nice, your house is nice. Let us see how your house looks like. And I'm like, okay, show you how my apartment looks like. So this is me showing you how my apartment looks like. Okay. So without wasting your time, let's just dive into the video. I'm going to be taking you around my apartment. Okay. And actually I just want you to see how a typical Ecuadorian apartment looks like. Here in Ecuador you can get a room self-con just for like between $70 to $100. You can get a room self-con, and if you want to get a room and a parlor self-con, you can get a room and a parlor self-con between $120 to like $170. $120 to $170. That is a room and a parlor self-con. It depends on the city you live in. It depends on the city you are in, or the town you live in. Me, I live in a town. I don't live in a city, so it's kind of very cheap. Even though people are still telling me that my apartment is kind of expensive. But that is just the range, okay? But if it's a furnished apartment, you start from like 200 upward, yeah. And some unfurnished apartments that are not furnished, for 2-bedroom apartments, you can get that for $200. 2-bedroom apartment, $200. And when I say dollars here, we actually spend US dollars in Ecuador. We spend US dollars in Ecuador. So, and in Ecuador we don't really do shared apartments. Everybody is on their own. We live alone. And some cities, they normally have furnished apartments, but here I don't have furnished apartment living there. But right now I live in a 1-room and parlor apartment. Okay, so let's start the tour. So I want to take you upstairs where we normally spread clothes. My house is a 3-floor house and we have 6 apartments and 8 habitaciones. I don't really know what habitaciones is. So all the floors of my house, they are all tiled, okay? So I want to take you upstairs to where we spread our clothes, which is like the 3rd floor of the house. So here is an open space. As you can see, a typical Ecuadorian house normally have this place where you can spread your clothes. So they kind of deck their house, then they put this upstairs for us to spread our clothes. And I'm going to show you other houses too that have the same sum on the top of the house. The house is like first 2 floors, then with this place making the 3rd floor, okay? So now I will show you some houses around that have this kind of a thing too. That is one house there. That is the upstairs. And if you look here, you see this house that they are just building. It has the same thing too. And if you look at that mina, it has the same thing too. So almost all the houses around here normally have a rooftop where you can spread your clothes. Okay, so let's go back downstairs to show you my own apartment. So this is the door to the main apartment, okay? And here that gate door is our server room, no, our control room. My friend said it's a control room. And this is my balcony, and up here you see a zinc. This zinc is actually put there to protect the house from earthquake, and that is the window to my house, to my apartment. Okay, so let's go in. So when you enter you can see the back of my door. It has a metal too, so this is just to protect the house. And I have two pillars in my apartment. There are two pillars in my apartment, and when you look at the left, you will see that meter that you saw now. And here I put my shoe right in my living room because this place is humid. There is always rain every day. It rains every day here. So that is about the left hand side. So when you go to the right hand side, that is where you see my washing machine. And this is my washing machine. On top of my washing machine, I have alcohol. We have to sanitize our hand immediately you enter. Actually, I sanitize my hand and I change my slippers. I have another slippers for inside the house. And I put my washing machine here because I had to pass it outside because I use a manual washing machine. And just beside that manual washing machine, I have the stoves where I put my potatoes, cocoa, onions, plantain on top. Okay, and right on top of that place there is a window that leads outside. Okay, and that window has a net, so I always leave it open, and from there I can actually view outside of my house and the main road. Okay, that's the main road, and it has a net. And right there, when you move in, you will see my kitchen. So we are in my kitchen now. So I have a stool that I just stand on when I want to pick something. That is my gas and my blender engine. And I have a two-phase cooker and all those good stuffs. Okay, so that is my kitchen slab. And I have the small oven in my kitchen, and beside that oven I have my water bottles that I use. Okay, I have my water bottles and my dispenser. And up here I have things that I use almost every time I want to cook, like my curry, my Maggi, my tea, and everything I use whenever I'm cooking, right on top of my cooker. And I have egg serviette and my matches. And right on top of it, there are like two steps. Right on top of it, I have another one that I keep my stuff that I don't really use frequently, like my toaster. It's been a while I eat toast bread and all that, so that is what is there. Right beside it, I have another cupboard or whatever. I don't even know what they call this thing again. What is a So I love containers a lot. I love containers. So whenever I buy my groceries, I kind of pour them inside containers. So that is my cereal, my spaghetti, my macaroni, my beans, my rice, and my matches. So that is what is here. And on top of this place, we have another space where I keep my cups. Okay, so you're going to see cups here. Okay, so I saw that butterfly stuff and I quickly rushed and sticked it on my fridge. I've been looking for that stuff for a very long time now. So right beside it, we have another thing. What do they call this thing? I forgot the name they call this thing. So we have another one, and this is where I keep my reserved grocery. I have my cookies, my noodles, my atum, my sped spaghetti, sped macaroni, my Ziploc bag, and some stuff. Hope you can see it. And it's actually leaked to the other side, so it leaks. There is no demarcation. It leaks. And right on top there, I actually have some things that I don't even know. I keep the cover of the water I've drank since I moved into this place. I'm like a year and some months in this apartment, so I'm still a baby in this area. Okay, so that is all about that. And down here I have this nylon that I normally put waste stuff inside, and I throw it away at the end of the day. And inside I only have my rice right there, and that is under my zinc. And from there it leaks to the other side where I just put plates, water, reserved water, and all that. Under there is nothing here. So we open the other side, and that's where I have my pot, I have my plate, and under there I have nylons, like waste nylons that I use for waste, for dustbin. That is what I keep down there. that is all about my kitchen. So that is my kitchen tour. Okay, and when you're going from the kitchen to the living room, I kind of have this thing on my wall. I've done 1 or 2 videos here before. I just bought this wall sticker and I love it so much. And right under that wall sticker, you see a tab. This is where I'm supposed to put my washing machine initially, but it wasn't working well because I got a manual, not an automatic. So let's go to my living room. So in my living room, you will see my fridge, and I'm so obsessed with butterfly stickers. I don't know why, but like live butterfly, I don't like, but sticker, I love it. I don't know. So if you're a lover of sticker, let me know. If you're a lover of butterfly sticker, let me know too. Inside the last video I did about how to reserve your plantain, that is my plantain in my freezer. And yeah, this is my fridge. I don't even know why I actually added this. And on top of my fridge, I have this bowl that I put my marker. You know, I'm a teacher, right? So I put my marker, my duster, my whatever there. And right beside it, I have a chair, a plastic chair, where I have my books, my students' books and teachers' book, and my small board that I use to teach them online. You know, we are doing online class, right? And on top of that place, on the wall again, I have another wall sticker, which is yellow. My daughter's best color is yellow, and a flower kind of a thing. So I just bought yellow and put the pink in the middle. And that Paris word, I don't even know, but I know it's that thing is from Paris. And there is a cable, my Wi-Fi cable that leads to my phone, because my laptop does not really catches the Wi-Fi, so I had to do a cable and put it directly inside. So I have a 2-seater, 3-seater seat, 2-seater and 2 single-seater. Okay, that is all about my living room. Okay, that is just the overview of my living room. I actually have a center table right there, and that is the other pillar you are seeing over there. Okay, so now let's go to my bathroom. The light got spoiled, so guys, pardon me. So you're going to see a mirror in my bathroom, and right beside it there is this thing I bought that I put my toothpaste and my brush, and that is my brush and my mopping stick. And on top of my WC, that's where I put my makeup, because I don't have mirror in any other place in the house, so that's why my makeup is there. And right on top there, you will see my heater. That's the control for my heater, my bathroom, my sponge, and yeah, that is all about my bathroom. And on the floor, you will see that pink foot mat, my towel and my hand towel and all that. And here I have my dustbin and my detergent. So my bedroom. So this is my bedroom, and when you enter my bedroom, you will see that basket there for my laundry basket, and you will see a fan over there. I actually always move that fan anyhow. And on the wall on my head, I have this thing and butterfly again. I don't know, me and butterfly. And that is a window. That is like a space that leads to the bathroom. That's the way they build their house. Unlike Nigeria, where our bathroom leads outside, their bathroom does not lead outside. It's either it leads to the kitchen or it leads to your room. And that is my bed, and I have a very large wardrobe here. Even though the wardrobe, I was the one that did the division. They didn't do any division in that wardrobe. So on that wardrobe, I have bags and nets. If you still have these nets in your house, because I know people put on bonnets now, like, what do they call it? Bonnet, right? Me, I still use air nets because I've not even gotten that thing. And on the leg, as in outside the handle of the wardrobe, I kind of hang a lot of things there, okay, because I cannot put nails on the wall here. And that is my wardrobe, and that, okay. So this is my window. I don't open this window. I have never opened it before. Why? Because I have bush at the back of that place. Guys, that is all about my house. So what do you think about this apartment? Let me know at the comment section. And that is all about the outdoor. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, remember to subscribe to my channel, and if you have not subscribed, and remember to drop your comments at the comment section. How does your house look like? Where you're staying? Is it really similar to Ecuador house? And in Ecuador, we pay weekly, we pay monthly here in Ecuador, unlike Nigeria that we pay every year. Here we pay monthly. So how is it in your area? Do you share your apartment, or you can get this great apartment for the same price? Like getting an apartment for $150. Do you think you can get apartment for between 120 to 150? Do you think this apartment is okay? How much is apartment in your city, in your country? What country are you in? And how much is apartment in your country? Okay? Thank you very much for watching. I love you. Bye. Stay safe.